Hey everybody. So today, I was not planning on making a video, but our favorite GMC Acadia is still around, and pulled up in the driveway to just check some stuff out on it, and the battery's dead. It's probably sat for 2 weeks. I charged the battery yesterday after it. I had to use the jump box to get it up here, and charged it, let it sit overnight, came out today, click, click. I just charged the battery. It says 100%, the charger just shut off. Let's see if it'll start. Opening the door turned the charger back on. So, out of curiosity, let's see what battery voltage looks like currently. Over here on DC volts, 14.75 volts. So that did not start very well at all. Take the charger out of the picture. Turn the AC off. So it appears as though we're charging. The needle shows it's charging. Use my El Cheapo Harbor Freight Chicago Electric Power Tools battery load tester. Charging system okay. There's a big resistor in here like a toaster. I can put a load on it right here. And the alternator's doing its thing, it's picking up. So now, let's shut it off. Now that the vehicle's off, it's showing actually a little less than 12 volts. Let's see what the true meter says. The meter on it, see, it's only 11.5 volts, and this thing just charged for like an hour. So that's somewhat believable. Let's put a load on it, just statically. Bad. I would almost suspect it will not charge now, or will not start now. One more time, right to bad. All right, let's go take this battery out and see if Mr. O'Reilly will warranty it for us. The battery is behind the passenger seat, below the second floor row seats. Under this cover, there is a screw that holds this cover on, which is long gone. So there's our battery, and if I remember right, it's 10mm nuts, and then there's a 13mm clamp bolt down the hole. You can't see it. There's a nut, actually a bolt, down here at the bottom. That hole looks a lot bigger, but it is not big enough It is not big enough to fit my hand down there, at least my hand. At least. There's the bolt. There's the hold down. And you kind of have to hold the wires out of the way, and then kind of wrestle the damn battery out of the hole. Ugh. So there it is. It's a 2 of 18, and I think I bought it in 3 of 18. So this thing, I'm hoping, is still under warranty. Let's go find out. We're back with another Superstart Platinum, and there's the best price, and that was the cost. Apparently there's a 3-year warranty on them, so we came in under the wire. Of course, the dude at the counter acted like it was coming out of his paycheck. All right, so let's get this in there. Here goes. Little seat track cover pops in, and then you can put your floor mat back. Let's give it a quick load test with the new battery right off the store shelf. I can believe that. Let's see what kind of voltages it might have. $12.5. I bet you it starts a lot faster. And it does, 14.4 volts. Put a load on it. Okay, and I think we're good. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.